Man, we need to get you a hobby.
Acquiring hobby. Aw.
Hey, so was Vegeta always blonde, or?
The birds flew away.
Oh yeah?
I liked the birds.
Good for you, man.
Hello, bird. What is your name? Toriyama. I would love to see your dinosaur. It does what? I have spotted a pelican. So majestic. So majestic. That is a big bird.
Alrighty, I'm going to hook your Eternal OS up to my system. There may be some involuntary oil release that's natural. And... Good God, how long has this been running?
How long has what been running?
We're just going to close that for a moment.
Kill Son Goku! Kill Son Goku! Kill Son Goku!
That's the word.
Kill Son...